Hello and welcome to some other replace video approximately XRP. On the XRP chart, the overall outlook has no longer modified. We start on the longer time frame. And curiously, in case you watched preceding films, you then obviously understand approximately this. The price has now reached our support place and already reversed to the upside from it. This is the aid location at the 4-day chart. I'm speaking approximately. I show you that you understand, every couple of days. It's between $1.13 and $2.02, and that is the main bullish help region, you can say, for this cycle. It enables us to distinguish among a bullish chart, bullish momentum, and bearish momentum. What we actually want to keep away from is a sustained break under the 113 level here. So a ways that hasn't passed off. The charge, indeed, just pulled lower back and reacted to the help area. That's what we need to look. You recognize while those help regions are reached, we want to peer a response. And I see this as a capacity fourth wave that may cause at least one greater excessive in this cycle. The subsequent upside targets are $4.19, $5, and maybe even $6.62 for this fifth wave, which I nevertheless see as a practical outlook. Okay, query is this going to be definitely a prime top, the subsequent high? I could anticipate this is the case. Can shape some other so known as 4-5 pattern, essentially another better low and any other higher high. It's simply, you understand, there isn't always the one answer. There are simply unique ways how this Elliott wave shape, that's a sentiment primarily based properly. Elliott wave is a sentiment-based, totally analysis approach, and there are distinctive styles that can play out. It just depends on how we interpret it, and I assume both interpretations are reasonable. We may not know the solution till the fee bureaucracy atop then indicates a pullback after this yellow wave 5 is entire. And we can regulate this assist region then, and either it holds or now not. And the assist location should provide any other option to look for an entry point. Some of you might have achieved that once the charge now reacted here to the support region. I mean, this is for a number of you who are operating extra on the larger time frames. These larger aid regions can provide an exciting possibility to search for entries. I'm no longer telling you to do this. That usually relies upon in your very own chart's profile and trading plan, but essentially we've got a terrific response and a 30% rally from the intraday low. Let's check the smaller time frame. On the smaller time frame, the market broke under the preceding swing low here at round 2.64, which invalidated the more immediately breakout sample to the upside. But this is why we are using Elliott wave, as it offers us very, very clean invalidation factors. And what I talked to you in the closing video approximately became that wave 4, both shaped as a triangle, completed right here. If so, a breakout to the upside have to appear. But there has been a clean invalidation point for this thesis, which became broken overnight with a sturdy sell-off. So the alternative rely, previously the blue state of affairs, is now main. And in this state of affairs, the help region beneath is or become here between 172 and 2.02. This became reached overnight, and we have seen a rally. And what I also cited to you in previous updates turned into that the 196 stage is manifestly the key stage that desires to keep as nicely. Well, that might preferably hold, or as a minimum it is able to offer some guide. That's what we pointed out, and it did offer assist. So the price is now, getting better, okay? And all we can do at this stage is to pay near interest now to the following corrective pullback. Now, due to the fact the marketplace is so volatile, the micro fee movement can have already got changed while you watch the video. So it's why I continually display you the larger time body as properly, so that you understand about the general large context. Smaller time frame rate movement is frequently just noise, but nonetheless a variety of you have an interest. So anyway, what I want to talk is for the rate now to affirm further an upside reversal. We want to preserve above 190. That is the 78.6 retracement micro support here in orange. And there are pathways I can see either an immediate breakout, as long as this level is conserving, that is, like this direct breakout, or what is also feasible is that the wave 4 is just certainly extending once more. But then this became an A wave low A, B, C in wave B, and then a larger C wave after, which we will move up. So standard, now not a whole lot alternate. We're quite a whole lot nevertheless ranging. Key is now to examine the subsequent pullback. If it's corrective, it could be a setup for higher prices in both wave C in blue or the yellow count number. But regardless of which one it is, if the pullback is corrective, we are able to watch for better, after which all of the sudden be counted, maybe the yellow one will broaden. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you probably did, please hit the like button, depart, a comment and subscribe. And in case you clearly like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much.